I know we have people who are saying that you are doing nothing. But I wonder whether they live in this country. I have lived in this country for more than 80 years. And Your Excellency, I can tell you that the type of energy you have, moving all over the country, jumping up and down, I have never seen any president doing that since I was born. I've never seen. This kind of work which you do to the people is only done during campaigns. Some people might say that you are campaigning throughout. But campaigning throughout is, is God-given. If it is campaign, I don't believe you are campaigning. What I believe you are doing, you are inspecting development projects, and I see, even when you come to pray like this, the leaders who come before you here are pleading with you to do some things which have not been done. Because development can never end. It will go on and on and on, and nobody will develop this country and say, I have now finished development. If America is still developing, how can Kenya ever reach there? We have not reached even a quarter of them. But we want to reach there very soon. We want to go to that first world very, very soon. And I can see the measures which are being taken by Kenya are going to take us there. People are complaining that there is a very big gap in the financing of the country. But this, I'm a finance expert. And I can tell you that the financing of this country, the levels where the country is borrowing, we are borrowing from our own. We are not going to beg in the international market with a heart in every capital begging. We want to trade with them. We don't want to be beggars. And what you say is borrowing from within is actually what should be done. What do those other countries, do those countries owe you that you think they can be giving you money for nothing? They exploit you.